Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are discussing the previous year question paper of SSC Junior Engineer Civil 2014. The first 40 questions are discussed in the previous videos and the link is given in the description box. Question number 41. Each term of the Bernoulli's equation represents options A. Energy per unit weight, option B. Energy per unit mass, option C. Energy per unit volume, option D. Specific energy. Each term of Bernoulli's equation represents energy per unit weight. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 42. Pressure in terms of meters of oil of specific gravity 0.9 equivalent to 4.5 meter of water is options A 4.05, option B 5, option C 3.6, option D 0.298. This is the problem we can discuss in detail. Density of oil D equal to specific gravity G into density of water D dash. That is, specific gravity is 0.9 into density of water is 1000 kg per m cube. That is 0.9 into 1000. 900 kg per m cube. Pressure exerted by water P equal to dGH. Pressure exerted by oil P dash equal to D dash G H dash. From these two equations, combining on two equations, we get dGH equal to D dash G H dash. We can find from this equation we can find H dash, that is dH divided by D dash, that is 1000 into 4.5 divided by 900. On calculating this we get 5 meter. So the option is option B 5 meter. These type of questions we can easily find out by dividing 4.5 by 0.9. We get the answer 5. Question number 43. Typically, a hydroelectric plant will have a following hydroelectric machine. Options: hydraulic turbine, option B hydraulic pump, option C electric motor, option D none of the above. Hydroelectric plant will have hydraulic turbine. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 44. Darcy-Weisbach equation to calculate the head loss due to friction for flow-through pipes is applicable when the flow-through pipe can be options A. Laminar only, option B. Turbulent only, option C. Both laminar and turbulent, option D. Subcritical flow. Flow through the pipe can both laminar and turbulent. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 45. The ratio of water stored in the root zone of the crop to the quantity of water actually delivered in the field is known as options A. Water use efficiency, option B. Water conveyance efficiency, option C. Water application efficiency, option D. Water storage efficiency. The ratio of water stored in the root zone of the crop to the quantity of water actually delivered in the field is known as option C. Water application efficiency. Question number 46. For unlined canals, the freeboard is measured from the options A. Full supply level to top of the bank, option B. Top of the bank to bed of the canal, option C. Full supply level to top of the dowel, option D. None of the above. Freeboard is measured from full supply level to the top of bank. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 47. The rolling minimum radius of the curve for rolling design speed V meter per second, coefficient of friction F, acceleration due to gravity g meter per second square, and super elevation E is due to options A v square by E minus F into g, option B v square by F minus E into g, option C v square by E plus F into g, option D v square by E plus F into 2g. The equation is option C v square by E plus F into g. Question number 48. Camber in the rod is provided for options A. Counteracting the centrifugal force, option B. Effective drainage, option C. Having proper side distance, option D. Avoiding overturning. Camber in rod is provided for option B. Effective drainage. Question number 49. The standard 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius when compared to ultimate BOD is about options 60%, option B 68%, option C 80%, option D 90%. Standard 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius when compared to ultimate BOD is about 68%. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 50. The global warming is caused mainly by options A. NO2, B. SO2, C. CO2, option D. O2. Global warming is mainly due to carbon dioxide. Option C is the answer. For more videos, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.